which will be a collaborative framework to explore innovation and in digital government.
Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Shri Y. Khimsan Singh, London IAS, Shri Kesri Asthana, Chief Technical, distinguished representatives from Microsoft India, senior officers of esteemed guests from electronic and print media, ladies and gentlemen, and a warm welcome to all of you to the first state level digital, the Department of Information Technology, Government of Manipur, and Microsoft. In our effort to strengthen digital governance and prepare our
academia, industry startups, ladies and gentlemen, and my media friends. A warm greeting to all of you. Today marks an important step in Manipur's journey towards becoming a digital empowered, inclusive and future-ready state. Our collaboration with Microsoft reflects a shared vision of leveraging technology for transforming governance, creating opportunity for youth, and improving the lives of every citizen of Manipur. Our vision is very clear. We want to build a digital ecosystem that is secure, citizen-centric, and inclusive. We are committed to ensuring that every citizen, regardless of where they live, can access efficient and transparent government services. Through Microsoft's skilling initiative, we seek to equip our youth, government officials, the entrepreneurs, and capabilities of artificial intelligence, cyber security, etc. This skill will open new pathways for employment, innovation, and entrepreneurship, particularly the sector of agriculture, healthcare, education, tourism, and digital services. As we accelerated our digital transformation, we remain equally committed to protecting the privacy and the security of our citizens. I believe that this workshop will bring together government departments, academic institutions, public sector organizations, startup, industry leaders, and Microsoft jointly develop a practical roadmap of Manipur's digital future. Let's work together to build a digital Manipur that is innovative, resilient, and inclusive, ensuring that the benefit of the technology reaches to every citizen of Manipur. Jai Hind.